Hey everyone, welcome to the Diabetic Toolbox, where we are on a mission to end type 2 diabetes, one family at a time, through education, support, and empowerment. I'm your host, Renee Reid, emotional eating and diabetes lifestyle coach and a yoga teacher. And on this show, I share tools and tips to help you lose weight and lower your blood sugar without using a restrictive diet or spending hours a day in the gym. Today, we are talking about why you might want to rethink skipping breakfast. Now, you have probably heard the saying, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I know my mom, Ruby, used to say that to my brothers and I all the time. And it's true. But like most folks caught in the cycle of diet culture, I thought I could save myself some calories if I skipped breakfast. For folks who are managing type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes, this is not a good idea. The cliche, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, is actually our truth. Because when we skip breakfast, our body has to rely on stored glucose and stress hormones like cortisol to keep our energy high. Those cortisol spikes can raise our blood sugar and leave us craving sweets or carbs later in the day. Tell me if you recognize this pattern. You rushed out the door, you skipped breakfast, and now you are feeling tired and foggy, and it's only mid morning. Your blood sugar is off balance because your pancreas hasn't released enough insulin. And by mid afternoon, you are hungry, you are cranky, and you are reaching for anything sugary to make yourself feel better. Does that sound familiar? If it does, don't worry. The good news is that this is totally fixable. And how do we fix it? By eating breakfast. When you start your morning with the right balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, everything changes. You'll feel fuller longer, your energy stays steady, and your mood stays balanced. So let's talk about a few key benefits of eating a balanced breakfast. Number one, when you eat a balanced breakfast, you have balanced energy all day. A high protein, high fiber breakfast will help your blood sugar rise gently and stay stable for hours. No more roller coaster energy or caffeine crashes. You'll also have fewer cravings. When your body gets what it needs in the morning, it's not going to be screaming for sugar in the afternoon. You'll probably notice that you're going to have fewer snack attacks and a calmer relationship with food. This one really surprised me because I did not have a clue that there was this connection between focus and mood and blood sugar, but there is. And when you eat a good breakfast, it helps your brain to stay sharp, your mood steady, and your motivation strong. And my friend, the thing that we really want to do is to lower our insulin resistance, right? And this will happen over time because when you consistently give your body balanced, nutrient dense meals, starting with breakfast, your insulin works better. And that means more energy, fewer cravings, and better long term blood sugar control. Now, if you head over to our blog at thediabetictoolbox.com, you'll see the 3 diabetes friendly breakfasts that I am sharing with you on today. But the one that I want to share with you right now is my absolute favorite. It is the Greek yogurt parfait, and it's really simple to make. All you have to do is get your favorite dish, and you're going to layer some plain Greek yogurt with your favorite berries, some chia seeds, and walnuts. It's the perfect mix of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. And if you want to switch it up, you can try cottage cheese. You can even switch out the chia seeds for flax seeds, and this will give you an extra boost of omega 3s. Now, if you've got an extra minute, boil an egg and eat it on the side. Now you've given yourself some extra protein, and that is going to make your blood sugar happy, happy, happy. I know that mornings can be hectic, between getting your kids ready, getting yourself ready, making lunches, trying to find your keys. Maybe that's just me. But breakfast can easily fall to the bottom of your to do list. So, I want to share with you some quick hacks to make sure that eating breakfast actually happens. Prep the night before. We've all heard this a million times, but your successful day starts the night before. So, chop those veggies, portion out your nuts, or slice fruit ahead of time. Keep some grab and go options ready, like hard boiled eggs, string cheese, or overnight oats. These are lifesavers. And because I know that you are meal prep your breakfast. Portion your yogurt toppings or cook a few breakfast proteins for the week. Remember that small habits like these can make a huge difference in how you start your day and how you feel all day long. And if you're struggling with cravings later in the day, it often starts with what you didn't eat in the morning. That's why I created the Crave Buster Guide. It is a free resource with 3 days of easy breakfast ideas that are designed to help you balance your blood sugar, keep you full for hours, and reduce sugar and carb cravings naturally. You can grab your free copy by clicking the link in the show notes and start tomorrow making your morning simpler, steadier, and stress free. You know something, my friend, and this is something that I had to learn myself, is that how you start your day sets the rhythm for your blood sugar, your mood, and your success. And when you fuel your body with balance and intention, you create stability, and stability is what will lead you to freedom. So, tomorrow morning, take 5 mindful minutes to nourish yourself. Your body and your blood sugar will thank you, I promise. All right, my friend, that is all I have for you today. Please share this episode with someone you love. They might need a little morning motivation. And don't forget to head over to the blog at thediabetictoolbox.com to get those other 2 breakfast ideas. Whatever you do, please do not skip breakfast. I will talk to you soon. Have a beautiful day. Bye for now.